Okay, so my presentation is on the Amazon algorithm, and it's by me. And so the reason that Amazon wanted to make this algorithm is because they wanted a faster and easier way to sort through resumes, and the algorithm was made to pick the top 5 most qualified candidates for whatever job that they wanted. So the way that this algorithm became biased was because the data used in the algorithm was from Amazon's employees and also their already hired people, which was predominantly men. So the algorithm learned to favor men and penalize resumes with the word women's in it, like as in women's college. And women are the group that are being discriminated against. So I do think that machine learning was used in this algorithm because the algorithm was not programmed to favor men, and so yeah. And after the programmers figured out how the algorithm was biased, they tried to fix it a few times, but after that they realized that it couldn't be fixed and it would just keep favoring men. So they ended up shutting down the algorithm altogether. And these are my sources.